Hello and welcome to our channel, where we explore the amazing world of fruits. Today, we are going to talk about jackfruit, one of the largest and most versatile fruits on the planet. Jackfruit is native to South and Southeast Asia, but it is also cultivated in other tropical regions of the world. It has a spiky green skin and a yellow flesh that can be eaten raw or cooked. Jackfruit can weigh up to 55 kilograms, 120 pounds, and measure up to 90 centimeters, 35 inches, in length. That's bigger than a watermelon. But what makes jackfruit so special? Here are 20 facts about jackfruit that you may not know. Jackfruit is a multiple fruit, which means it is composed of hundreds to thousands of individual flowers that are fused together. The fleshy petals that we eat are actually the ovaries of these flowers. Jackfruit is rich in vitamins, minerals, and dietary fiber. It is a very good source of vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin B complex, vitamin E, iron, magnesium, potassium, and manganese. Jackfruit has a low glycemic index of 75, which means it does not spike blood sugar levels quickly. However, it also has a high glycemic load due to its high sugar content, so people with diabetes should consume it in moderation. Jackfruit has a meat-like texture and a mild taste that can absorb different flavors. It is often used as a vegetarian substitute for pork or chicken in dishes like tacos, barbecue sandwiches, curries, and chili. Jackfruit seeds are edible and nutritious. They can be boiled, roasted, or ground into flour. They have a nutty flavor and contain protein, starch, calcium, and phosphorus. Jackfruit is also used to make various products, such as noodles, chips, ice cream, jam, wine, and beer. Some of these products are available internationally in canned or frozen forms. Jackfruit has many medicinal properties. It can help treat diarrhea, constipation, ulcers, skin infections, fever, and asthma. It can also boost immunity, lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, and prevent cancer and aging. Jackfruit is a symbol of national pride in Bangladesh and Sri Lanka, where it is considered the national fruit. It is also the state fruit of Kerala and Tamil Nadu in India. Jackfruit has a strong and distinctive smell that some people find unpleasant or even nauseating. The smell comes from volatile compounds that are released when the fruit is cut open. Some of these compounds are similar to those found in cheese, onion, and garlic. Jackfruit can attract animals and insects with its smell and sweetness. Some of these include bats, birds, monkeys, squirrels, ants, and bees. Jackfruit is also pollinated by fig wasps that enter the fruit through small holes called osteoles. Jackfruit can be harvested at different stages of ripeness depending on how it will be used. Unripe jackfruit is green and firm and has a mild flavor that can be enhanced by spices or sauces. Ripe jackfruit is yellow and soft and has a sweet flavor that can be enjoyed as a dessert or snack. Overripe jackfruit is brown and mushy and has a fermented flavor that can be used to make alcoholic beverages or vinegar. Jackfruit has different names in different languages and regions. Some of these include kathal in Hindi, nangka in Malay, langka in Filipino, kanan in Thai, mit in Khmer, and panasa in Telugu. The scientific name of jackfruit is Artocarpus heterophyllus, which means different-leaved breadfruit in Greek and Latin. Jackfruit belongs to the Moraceae family, which also includes figs, mulberries, breadfruits, Osage oranges, banyans, rubber trees, hemp trees, nettles, hops, cannabis, mulberries, Osage oranges, banyans, rubber trees, hemp trees, nettles, hops, cannabis, and more. These plants share some characteristics such as milky sap, compound leaves, multiple fruits. and symbiotic relationships with fig wasps. Jackfruit has been cultivated for thousands of years in South and Southeast Asia. It was introduced to other parts of the world by Portuguese explorers, traders, and missionaries in the 16th century. It was also brought to Africa by Indian workers during the colonial era. Today, jackfruit is grown in over 90 countries across Asia, Africa, Latin America, and Oceania. Jackfruit is one of the most productive fruit trees in the world. A mature jackfruit tree can produce up to 200 fruits per year, with older trees bearing up to 500 fruits in a year. Each fruit can yield up to 25 kilograms, 55 pounds, of edible flesh. 1 hectare, 5 acres, of land planted with jackfruit trees can produce up to 30 tons of fruits per year. That's enough to feed about 600 people. Jackfruit has many cultural and religious significances in South and Southeast Asia. It is associated with fertility, prosperity, abundance, and generosity. It is also used as an offering to gods and ancestors during festivals and ceremonies. In some regions, jackfruit wood is used to make musical instruments, furniture, statues, masks, and coffins. Jackfruit leaves are used to wrap food, make baskets, decorate temples, and serve as plates. Jackfruit has some unique features that make it adaptable to different environments. It has deep roots that help it survive droughts, shallow roots that help it absorb nutrients from the soil, a thick bark that protects it from pests and diseases, a large canopy that provides shade and reduces evaporation, and an ability to grow on marginal lands that are unsuitable for other crops. Jackfruit has some challenges that limit its potential as a global crop. It has a short shelf life that makes it difficult to transport and store, a high labor demand that makes it costly to harvest and process, a lack of standardization that makes it hard to market and trade, a low consumer awareness that makes it less popular than other fruits, and a lack of research that hinders its improvement and innovation. Jackfruit has some opportunities that could make it more valuable and sustainable in the future. It has a high nutritional value that could help fight hunger and malnutrition, a high environmental value that could help mitigate climate change and biodiversity loss, a high economic value that could help create income and employment, a high social value that could help preserve culture and tradition, and a high potential value that could help develop new products and markets. Jackfruit is more than just a fruit, it is a wonder of nature that deserves our attention and appreciation. It is a gift from the past that could benefit the present and future generations. It is a treasure that we should cherish and share. We hope you enjoyed this video about jackfruit. If you did, please like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.